I had these old landscaping timbers I was thinking about using to make a raised garden bed. But as you can see, they are rotted. So I'm going to have to go get some new landscaping timbers. So my job today will be to cut these guys apart. The other day to get new landscaping timbers because I cut up my old ones because they were rotted, but they didn't look any better. So now I've got the cedar wood that I'm going to use to try and make my raised garden bed. We'll see how that turns out. And I bought 30 bags of dirt or garden soil. I'm not sure it's going to be enough. This project isn't going to be as simple as I thought. So I've been trying to drill an extra hole into the brackets that I bought for my raised garden bed. But we're having some issues with the brackets flying all over the place as I'm drilling. So this has been an education in clamps. Okay, so we had to rejig all of our clamps here, and now I have to go through and individually mark all of my brackets at 2.5 inches. Before, I had it set up where I could just put it in there and bump it up against a piece of wood and it was right even, but now I have to make sure that I'm keeping the line right where it needs to be. And hopefully this heavy duty of a clamp is gonna hold this time. We shall see. Whoa, my oil! Look out! Alright, so let's see how this does. The last time with the other clamps, it totally spun out on me. Remember to wear eye protection. I had one of these things fly at me. Don't let it smoke. If it smokes, you need to add some more oil. Oh, what did I just say? Who knew drilling through metal was this much of a process? Okay, I let it smoke, but I got through. So, only 4 more to go. The trench is dug. We threaded the pipe through roots. That was quite the experience. And digging through all these roots was quite the experience as well. We wanted to save some because we didn't want to kill our tree. Now I have my drip line set up. I'm going to start building the raised garden bed. Leveling is not going to be an option, I don't think. Played around with it a little bit. And there's the sprinkler head that we moved from its original position. My husband was a lot of help in this. What is it that I see everyone posting on Facebook? The type of trees that Home Depot have. They're all warped. I think we're going to try and clamp this. We must have a 52-inch clamp. We shall see. Alright, we got it clamped. But, look what happened. Can you see? Ah, there's a crack. So now we're going to get some screws. We'll see.